Sometimes it's an attraction.
Attraction?
See all the things them when you go through, you know. Have you observed you waste your time on somebody when I really care for you?
Would that be relating to Trevor?
I hope no one else is on the list. The man they are pretty tired of Miss Nicey.
We really know about Trevor, Bizzle. What do you have against him?
Well, I know about him based on reputation. What you know about him? You know, say him have 7 baby mothers, right?
Old news. But it seems like there is something else that you know that I really don't know.
And if you do some deeper research, you realize that him 7 baby mother them way younger than him. He has been preying on these young girls. But this is not about Trevor. It's about you.
What is it about me?
This is about you giving your time to somebody who will never give you 100% of them time. And the person who is giving you that 100% is right in front of you, you're not seeing it.
Bizzle, are you saying what I think that you're saying? You want to take this beyond an employer-employee?
So do you see me as your employee?
That's not what I meant. You have done way more than an employee for me. I'm just not ready for that step as yet.
It's Nicey.
Bizzle, call me nice.
Nicey. I'm not asking you for a relationship. I'm just telling you not to waste your time on somebody who don't care about you. And somebody right here cares about you.
I appreciate you expressing how you feel for me. But honestly, this is a bit uncomfortable.
And that's the last thing I want you to feel. But you ask, so I have to get it off my chest. But I will not bring that up again. I'll just continue to do what I am doing. And that's it. Oh, it's Nicey.
Bizzle, I told you, you can't call me nicely.
I know you feel uncomfortable. Happy New Year, by the way. You want to come spend some time with the youth, you know, but I have some project I deal with now, kind of busy. But we'll make some time soon. Here, what? Me no want a man to spend another dollar for me, you hear me? And tell me something. When you gonna make him know? Okay, if you don't make him know, me I gonna make him know. Don't try gaslight me, you know. And you did mess up and make me have to act like the youth and not my one. So just say something to him soon and me I gonna make him know what I want.
Bizzle?
My second I'm call you back. Yeah, we're open for business.